and cocoa stir.
First, today we will need chocolate melts and white chocolate melts and M&Ms, orange M&Ms, candy Eggos, So first we want to melt the white chocolate melts in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now we melted it all the way down. So now you want to dip the back right in. We're gonna let these cool all the way down until they are hard as a rock. And melt the chocolate melts. Oh, another penguin fact. They're black and white and they have a furry coat which helps them stay warm. Now we have them hard. And now we melted this. Now what we're gonna do next is put these in the chocolate by side. And then other side, so it leaves some belly. So now we want to put one beak like this. And then we want to put our candy eye, 2 on each, because it's eyes, eyes, eyes. I got eye goggles. Just on there, like that. We can now put them in your fridge to cool, and you can stir your hot chocolate in it and add some extra flavor to it. Thank you for watching. Maybe we'll do another summer video with a summer animal. And it's gonna be so fun, fun, fun. It's gonna be so fun, fun.